In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view chart in Vantage Trading App. By the end, you'll feel confident finding and viewing live price charts for your favorite markets, all within the app. First, open the Vantage app on your device. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. You can use either a demo account if you're practicing or a live account if you're trading real funds. The important thing is that you're signed in so the app can load your market data and give you access to charts. Next, head to the Markets or Trade section. You'll usually find these along the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll see a list of tradable instruments. Common examples include gold, shown as XAUUSD, currency pairs like EUR, USD, stock indices such as US 30, and even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Browsing this list is a quick way to explore what's moving and choose what you want to analyze. When you've found an instrument you're interested in, tap it to open its page. From here, tap Chart, or simply Continue if the chart displays automatically. The price chart will appear right away, updating in real time so you can watch live price movement as it happens. This is your main window into how the market is behaving. For a clearer view, rotate your phone into landscape mode. Turning the device sideways gives you more screen space, making candles and price swings easier to read. The Vantage app supports candlestick charts directly in-app, so you'll see open, high, low, and close information represented visually with each candle. Inside the chart, take a moment to customize what you see. You can switch time frames, such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day, depending on whether you're analyzing quick moves or the bigger picture. Pinch to zoom in or out to focus on recent price action or step back for more context. If you tap and hold on the chart, you'll reveal precise price details at that point, which is helpful for identifying exact levels. If you want to go a bit deeper, you can add trading tools depending on your app version. Popular indicators include RSI for momentum, moving averages for trend direction, and MACD for trend and momentum signals. You can also draw trend lines to mark support and resistance, and set price alerts to be notified when the market reaches key levels you care about. And that's it. Open the app, go to Markets or Trade, select an instrument, view the chart, rotate for a better look, tailor your time frame and view, and add tools when needed. Happy charting?